Gmail, a free email service that has been around since 2004. Hello there, I'll be showing you how to make a Gmail account. Either click the link in the description or follow the method shown on the screen. Search Gmail sign up on whatever browser you've got. You are on the website. Alright, type your first name and last name, come up with an email address, password, click the blue next button, add a phone number or recovery email address if you'd like, as they ain't necessary. Fill in your birth date, fill in your gender as well, but it isn't necessary. Click the blue next button. Over here you can change stuff to feel added privacy. Click on I agree only after you've gone through everything. Be patient while they're creating your account. Hope this helped.